Toncoin is expected to drop 5.2% tomorrow, according to Traders Union. Let's open with a quick view of the current market move. At this hour, Toncoin is down 0.3% over the last 24 hours and holding near $2.01. Let's jump into analyst predictions now. Coin price forecast scenario puts the price at $2.04 tomorrow, showing a 1.5% move. Toncoin might approach $2.03, according to CoinLore, a projected increase of 1%. CoinCodex notes it may slide toward $1.98, a fall close to 1.4%. Another estimate from Traders Union shows Toncoin may retreat toward $1.91, a drop close to 5.2%. Finally, crypto prediction sees $1.69 by tomorrow. That's 15.8% down from now. This is the strongest payoff scenario. That's the full round of calls. Let's continue from here. These are the key takeaways from all 5 forecasts. After reviewing the forecast spread in full, the price range is estimated between a decrease of 15.8% and an increase of 1.5%, depending on the analyst. Considering all forecasts, crypto predictions is at the top with 15.8% upturn in value by tomorrow. This means you could see a return of between $10 and $158 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probabilities, CoinLore leads with a 98.3% chance of success. Taking into account all 5 forecasts, I've put together one overall consensus scenario. Consensus projections indicate Toncoin might slip toward $1.93, down roughly 4%. Here's what the breakdown shows. Consensus perspective suggests a 4% loss under current conditions. That forecast suggests your capital might also gain by 4%. On a 1,000 position, this might represent $40 gained. In addition, the probability tied to this consensus forecast is around 92.7%. To wrap up this stage, let's check the 3-day outlooks from analysts. Coin price forecast points to further upside potential. For this period, CoinLore sees the price staying balanced. CoinCodex expects strength on the upside. Traders Union anticipates downward movement in the near term. Also, Crypto Predictions describes the near-term path as bearish. Aggregating the outlooks, the consensus shows Toncoin leaning downward through this horizon. The data shows 40% of forecasts predicting Toncoin will move lower. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago. Today, we'll see which ones matched reality. Ultimately, the actual closing price was $1.97. With this outcome, most analysts were accurate in their forecasts. The most correct forecast in numbers was from 30 rates. Let's zoom in on the individual results. Yesterday's price action included 4 forecasts within the limits. Speaking of ROI, gains appeared across several forecasts, and 30 rates came out ahead with 2.8%. And now, the overall results are on screen, everything in one view. As indicated in the data, CoinCodex achieved 0.6% ROI and accuracy. Look and see who stayed closest to the real price movement. Let's take a quick look at how the expected profitability for tomorrow compares between Toncoin and a few others. Toncoin takes the lead in forecasted returns, standing at 4%. For now, you can see only 5 cryptocurrencies here, but a wider selection of crypto forecasts is waiting on my website. If you're still here, I appreciate your attention, and if this was useful, don't forget to like the video. Have a good one.